Tita Riza to all the kids. Being involved in Kids Central Ministry for more than 7 years now, I can say that there are so many memorable and unforgettable experiences with the team and the kids. I am so blessed to work with the ever supportive and active core and team leaders in Kids Central, as well as to the 60+ Kids Central volunteers.
Hello, I'm Ate Emmy. I teach the Tickles group, that's ages 4 to 6 in Kids Central. I've been with the ministry 7 years and counting. Kanang memorable kayo kay when the kids smile because they get the Bible truth, and also ang silliness sa class kay kids tend to be really interactive. Just like this morning, we learned about the big catch, a miracle of Jesus, and Dylan, Raiden, and Rio had a really fun time inside the boat until naguba ang boat.
Hi everyone, I am Naftali Rose Inson. I've been involved in the ministry for almost 3 years, and my most unforgettable experience is when I was able to lead the kids in the kids camp last year. It was memorable for me because I was able to share the love of Christ and lead them to the truth that the Lord wants them to know and experience.
Hi, my name is Ati Fel. My most unforgettable experience in Kids Central was last summer during the Hope for Kids seminar. That's the time that I witnessed the kids. They are eager to share the gospel of God with the kids during their last day of the seminar. And I am overwhelmed because the greatest commission were taught to the kids to share the love of Christ.
So to all the parents like me,
Please send your kids to Kids Central every Sunday.
You can see the changes in their lives.
not just that, but they get to meet more friends and they get to know Jesus.
Because this is a life-changing journey when they met Christ.
Send your kids to the Kids Central and see them grow and witness their involvement in the ministry.
So to all the kids,
Join me and the rest of the KC team.
And experience the best memories you have way back on your childhood.
Let's get to know each other more and get to know Jesus even better.
It's more fun in Kids Central, and I know it all begins here.
So what are you waiting for? Be part of Kids Central.
See you next Sunday!